The Tesla's dilemma, Texas or Tulsa for its gigafactory for Cybertruck. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. When news broke that Tesla had announced the finalist for its next gigafactory, which actually could be also called a Terafactory based on the expected cell production output from the facility, comparisons between Austin, Texas and Tulsa, Oklahoma was rampant across social media. Each location has its own distinct advantages and disadvantages, which we're going to explore in this report. In the meantime, if you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel, look around and like this video. That would greatly support us, friends. Today I'm going to share with you a story by Joey Klender of Tesla Radi, exploring the advantages and disadvantages of Texas, of Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Austin, Texas, as possible locations for Tesla's Cybertruck Terafactory. So he says, Joey writes, I will start with Austin, Texas, because of its location notoriety as the favorite of the two locations. Also, it is fairly evident that Elon Musk seems to think highly of the Lone Star State based on his tweets about the state and also the presence of his SpaceX business there. Texas has a lot of available lands and it's very cheap. Houses and businesses can get the same amount of land in Texas that they can in California, but a significantly cheaper price. Tesla could save a lot of money on the purchase price of the land, and it could be using Tulsa as leverage to get an even better deal on the Texas property. One of my favorite reasons for Texas factory is that the fact that the state has long been the heart of oil and gas and the world's largest electric automaker in the same region. I find that too hysterical to me. I feel that Tesla establishing its largest and most dominant production facility in the area would be a good response to the pollution-causing gas and oil drillers who, for a long time, have called Texas home. Texas also has a hearty history of automotive manufacturing and is ranked 4th out of all 50 U.S. states in the car sector. Also, Tesla could provide a stable economic boost to the state, to Texas. While this also applies to Tulsa, Texas already has a strong presence in automotive manufacturing, which could ease regulations and transition time in the state. Texas is also home to SpaceX Boca Chica launch facility. This statement solidifies Elon Musk's presence in the state and makes it an already familiar option for the CEO's other company. However, Tulsa has its own array of advantages as well, a lot of which are similar to Texas, but in a slightly different way. Tulsa, as a possible location for Tesla's Cybertruck Terafactory, also offers a sizable amount of affordable land that Tesla could use for its next production facility. Although the company has roots in Texas and not in Tulsa, local authorities are ready to make a strong push for Tesla, knowing that the electric car maker could provide a sustainable positive economic injection into the state's employment rate by producing electric Cybertruck pickup truck in Tulsa. Tulsa is also slightly more centralized than Austin, as it is closer to the geographical center of the country. While it may not provide much of an advantage as far as location goes, it is slightly more centralized than Austin is. This is one of the important things that Elon Musk said in his tweet about the location of the next Cybertruck Gigafactory or Terafactory. I also feel like Tulsa may want the factory a little bit more than Austin. I could be wrong here, but because what city wouldn't want a manufacturing plant that will provide 12,000 jobs, would provide a positive economic impact? What city wouldn't like that? But Tulsa took a stature of an oil driller and put Tesla's logo on it, and I feel like this is I think this is too much, but Tulsa is showing that it's roots are very much big in oil drilling. It is especially interesting that the local figures in Tulsa are willing to sit there and modify a very notable statue in the area to woo Tesla in their direction. I don't know if this is a good thing. I don't want Tesla to become an idol worshipping thing for Tulsa. Simply enough, it is pretty obvious that Texas is the favorite choice here for Tesla's Terafactory, Cybertruck Terafactory. At least it is for me, I think. While Tulsa does have its advantages, it just doesn't seem like it would provide enough benefits that make it a clear favorite over Texas. Elon Musk has also mentioned Texas on numerous occasions, like I previously mentioned, and really economically, I think it provides more benefits to Tesla as a company. Well, friends, let me know what you think. What you think about Tulsa versus Texas as Terafactory. I want to finish with an interesting thought. Recently, several days ago, when I was reporting at torquenews.com about Texas, about Austin, Texas, and the possible location in Austin, Texas, one of the people commented and said that he has a source apparently from the neighborhood where recently Elon Musk bought a house in Austin, Texas. Whatever it's worth it. I don't know. Apparently next to Lake Austin, he bought a house apparently. I don't know. I cannot confirm. But, there was a comment like this, and someone from the neighborhood apparently told a real estate agent that it's bought by Elon Musk. We know that Tesla already has some operations in Austin. I think some research or development type of thing. But we know that recently Elon Musk started selling his houses in California, and he probably needs to buy another house somewhere else. And if he's buying a house in Austin, who knows? Maybe he's leaning toward Austin, Texas. Let me know. What do you think? Which is your favorite location for Tesla's Terafactory? Is it Austin or is it Tulsa? Let's continue the discussion below, friends. In the meantime, please subscribe to our channel, like this video. That will help us very much, and we'll see you in our next report. Have a wonderful day. God bless you, and take good care of each other.